Hey guys, this is Mrs. Cutting, and I just wanted to do a quick recap of yesterday's lesson because we had so many people gone. And I'm also going to go over yesterday's homework. So yesterday we did lesson 1, introducing ratios and ratio language. And we started by just looking at different ways that we can sort a group of objects. And then we did the section called the teacher's collection, where I showed my collection of paper clips. And everyone decided on a way to sort them into groups. So some people sorted by color, and some people sorted by size, and a couple of other things. And then once we have it sorted, we can write a ratio statement. So a statement that compares two different groups. So I could say the ratio of green paper clips to blue paper clips is 4:3 because I have 4 greens and 3 blues. So then we did this next section called the student's collection, where every pair had their own collection of objects and they sorted it by color or size or something like that. And then they wrote 2 ratio statements. So another example would be the ratio of large paper clips to small paper clips is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The ratio of large to small is 6:6. Okay. We went over the summary. A ratio is an association between 2 or more quantities. There are many ways to describe a situation in terms of ratios. For example, look at this collection. So we have our squares versus our circles. So the ratio of squares to circles is 6:3. The ratio of circles to squares is 3:6. So whichever word I use first, that's the number that has to go first. So here, squares and 6 were first, and circles and 3 were second. Here, circles was first, so 3 went first, and then squares and 6 were second. And then notice that the shapes can be arranged into equal groups, which allows us to describe the shapes using other numbers. So we could also split them into equal groups where there are 2 squares for every 1 circle, or there is 1 circle for every 2 squares. Okay, so then the homework. You're going to need your red pen. In a fruit basket, there are 9 bananas, 4 apples, and 3 plums. So the ratio of bananas to apples, bananas are first, apples are second, so 9:4. The ratio of plums to apples is 3:4. This one, they made it sound like we were going to try to split them into groups, but we really couldn't. So for every 4 apples, there are 3 plums. For every 3 bananas, there is 1 plum. So they told us that there were 9 bananas. This is one where we really can split it into groups. So if I have my 9 bananas, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and I have my 3 plums, I can split it into equal groups. For every 3 bananas, there is 1 plum. Okay, complete the sentences to describe this picture. The ratio of dogs to cats is 3:4. For every 3 dogs, there are 4 cats. And then this one was just kind of silly, right? 2 different sentences that use ratios to describe the number of eyes and legs in this picture. So total number of eyes is 4, total number of legs is 8. So I just use the ratio of eyes to legs is 4:8, or the ratio of legs to eyes is 8:4. All right, that's it for this video. See you next time.